Listen for the tone.
3, 2, 1. .4 in first. .34.3 in second. 19.3 in first. .19.8 in first. 58.2 in fourth. 32.3 in second. 45 seconds left. 106.9 in fifth. 18.6 in first. 30 seconds left. 41.1 in sixth. 29.8 in second. 18.5 in first. 15 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 17.9 in first. 55.4 in fourth.
Jay, you got it too.
12.3 in third. Jay McKibben done. 101.3 in fifth. Last place done. 46.1 in sixth. Josue FPV done. 43.3 in second. D-Sync done.
All right, Heat 1, finish your laps and land. Heat 2, you're up as soon as that quad lands. Take your time, no rush. Full throttle, full throttle. Yeah.